こんにちは、さきです。Today we will do the practice questions for the reading part of the mondai 4. In mondai 4, you need to read a text and you need to choose the right answer for a question. Some people might feel pressured when it comes to reading questions, but the questions for mondai 4 are relatively simple and easy to answer correctly. So once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Let's jump right in and try some questions. The answer is number 4. I'm going to explain the details, but first of all, when you solve a mondai 3 reading, I personally recommend that you check the question and the options first before jumping into reading the text. 昨日の朝、私は大学へ行く前に何を食べましたか？昨日の朝、yesterday morning, 私、I is the subject. 大学へ行く前に before going to the university 何を食べましたか What did I eat? Let's check the options. Number 1. サンドイッチを食べました I ate a sandwich. Number 2. パンとバナナを食べました I ate some bread and a banana. Number 3. おにぎりと卵を食べました I ate a rice bowl and an egg. Number 4. 何も食べませんでした I didn't eat anything. Now pay attention to 昨日の朝 yesterday morning and 大学へ行く前に before going to the university. Let's check the text. If you don't have time to read everything, you just try scanning with the word 昨日の朝 yesterday morning. Here, in the second sentence, you can find 昨日の朝 yesterday morning. So, let's check this sentence first. でも、昨日の朝は何も食べませんでした。でも、however. 昨日の朝は yesterday morning. 何も食べませんでした。I didn't eat anything. So, number 4 is the answer. As I said in the beginning of this video, 問題4 are relatively simple and easy. So, there probably aren't any tricky questions. If you don't have time during the test, you can just finish here. But here we have time, so let's check the rest of the sentence too. 私は毎朝パンとバナナかおにぎりと卵を食べて大学へ行きます。毎朝 every morning。パンとバナナかおにぎりと卵か means or, so some bread and a banana. Or a rice bowl and an egg. 食べて eat and 大学へ行きます。go to university. This is what this person does 毎朝 every morning. But the next follows with でも however. でも昨日の朝は何も食べませんでした。However, yesterday morning, I didn't eat anything. 大学の食堂でサンドイッチを食べました。大学の食堂で at the university cafeteria. The question is, 大学へ行く前に何を食べましたか？ What did I eat before going to the university? So this is not relevant to the answer. 起きた時間が遅かったからです。That's because I woke up late. Therefore, again, the answer is number 4. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. How was your score? Please leave your comments below. See you soon. Bye!